Hello. Welcome. My name is Jane. How are all of you? Today I am so happy to teach you emotions in English. Of course there are so many emotions, but don't worry. I will start with the basics. For the first emotion, I will start with sad. Sad. Say it with me. Sad. Sad. Well done. Make sure to take your time. Next emotion will be happy. Say it with me. Happy. 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 Great job. You guys are so good. Next emotion will be angry. Say it with me. Angry. 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 Great. You are all so smart. You all should be so proud of yourselves. Next will be afraid. Say it with me. Afraid. 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 Great job. You are all so amazing. Let us finish off here. Emotions are hard to demonstrate, so let us do little by little. Until then, take care.